Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 2148073494 in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, why do we encounter this error? The reason that we encounter this error is that when we are overseas, we will not be able to log into the Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 application. So here's an easy fix. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Now I have a command in the description section of the video. Paste it and click on OK. You'll find at the app data folder here. Right click on it and delete it. That is it. Now try launching it. It will work. I'll tell you what happens. Basically, when you delete the app data folder, it will delete the memory and the cache associated with the applications, and you will be able to log in easily. And if that doesn't work, which will be a rare case, then search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. And then you can click on OK, and then you can click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.